To effectively monitor the Semrush dashboard, start by logging into your Semrush account and navigating to the Dashboard section. The dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of your website's performance, including keyword rankings, backlinks, and technical SEO issues. First, familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard, which is divided into several sections. The top section displays your website's overall visibility and health score, which is a measure of your website's technical SEO performance. Below this, you will find sections for keyword analytics, competitor analysis, and backlink tracking. To monitor keyword rankings, navigate to the Keyword Analytics section. Here, you can view your website's current keyword rankings, as well as changes in ranking over time. You can also filter keywords by position, volume, and competition, allowing you to focus on the most important keywords for your business. Next, review the Competitor Analysis section, which provides insights into your competitors' online presence. You can view their keyword rankings, backlinks, and content strategy, helping you to identify gaps in the market and opportunities to outrank your competitors. The backlink tracking section allows you to monitor the quality and quantity of backlinks pointing to your website. You can view the number of new and lost backlinks, as well as the authority and relevance of the linking websites. To get the most out of the Semrush dashboard, it is essential to set up alerts and notifications. This will enable you to stay on top of changes in your website's performance and receive notifications when issues arise. You can set up alerts for changes in keyword rankings, backlinks, and technical SEO issues. Best practices for monitoring the Semrush dashboard include regularly reviewing your website's performance, tracking changes in keyword rankings and backlinks, and adjusting your SEO strategy accordingly. It is also essential to stay up to date with the latest SEO trends and best practices, and to continually monitor and improve your website's technical SEO performance. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively monitor the Semrush dashboard and gain valuable insights into your website's performance. This will enable you to make data-driven decisions and improve your website's visibility, driving more traffic and revenue for your business.